राज्यात मायनिंगाचो प्रश्न सुटोवपाक सरकाराक अपयस आयला। हाचे वयल्यान कळटा की राज्यात सरकार कोसळ्ळां म्हण अशें वक्तव्य काँग्रेसीन पत्रकार परिशदेंत बुधवारा केला। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स।
It is BJP party's government in Goa and the failure of the chief minister, the failure of the government, the failure of the prime minister, the failure of BJP president, national BJP president, the failure of their in charge here of Goa state who took the credit, so to say, to form the government in that midnight dacoity, Mr. Gadkari, all have failed to give a solution, all have failed to declare the action that they propose to take, and all this is nothing but deliberate madness, which is taking a toll on the state, the people of the state, and the economy of the state, for which this government is fully responsible. Chief Minister, can you appreciate that this BJP party has no commitment to governance, and this can be felt from one simple fact. While the chief minister goes to US and is absent in the state without handing charge, the senior most BJP minister in Goa prefers to go on a vacation. There cannot be a collapse in more harsher terms. And we know how this issue can be solved. But, please understand, but if the BJP government, 4 months have passed, if they are unable to give a concrete declaration to the people as to the probable action that they seek to take, they should just vacate. Because this issue is something that is touching the livelihoods of people. They should just vacate and go. The Congress party can take care of the administration of the state. Let them tell that we cannot solve this issue because 4 months have passed, they have been unable to solve this issue. And these are statements which are stray statements. Sudhin said we'll file a review petition. Has it been filed? Cabral says intervention petition. Has it been filed? Mr. Sardesai speaks of an ordinance. Whose government is it in Delhi to amend the MMRDA Act? Please understand, the absolute administrative control is in one party, that is BJP at the center and some allies in Goa. If you are unable to take the decision, vacate the seat.